The most common leaf-bud arrangement is alternate. In this section, we'll look at the genera with simple leaves, blade, not divided into leaflets. Some of the leaves in this grouping have entire leaf margins, that is, no teeth or serrations. Some have lobes and come in a variety of shapes. Oak, Quercus species. Beech family, Fagaceae. Leaves are leathery, simple, and alternate. Most are either pinnately lobed or toothed. Terminal buds are clustered. Leaves are with or without sinus, with bristle tips or rounded lobes. Most species are deciduous, but some are evergreen. Fruit is an acorn, one-seeded nut. Sycamore, plane tree, Platanus species. Sycamore family, Platanaceae. Leaves are leathery with deep sinuses and 3 to 5 prominent lobes. Leaves always alternate. Maples are opposite, with petiole covering a large pointed bud. A stipule is at the base of the petiole. Fruit is usually a solitary or paired ball-like aggregate hanging at the end of a long stalk. Tulip poplar, yellow poplar, Liriodendron tulipifera. This is not a true poplar. Populus species. Magnolia family, Magnoliaceae. Leaf blade is as long as wide and is alternate with deep sinuses, giving the appearance of a silhouette of a cat's face. Terminal bud looks like a duck's bill. Flowers are greenish yellow, large, showy, and solitary with a tulip shape. Fruit is cone-like with a winged seed that looks like a hawk's bill. Sweet gum, Liquidambar styraciflua. Witch hazel family, Hamamelidaceae. Leaves are alternate and star-shaped, with deep sinuses and serrated margins. Terminal buds are large and glossy. Fruit is a round, hard aggregate with horn-like projections, sweet gum ball, borne on a long stem. Mulberry, Morus species. Mulberry family, Moraceae. Leaves are alternate and simple, sometimes lobed, rough above, and asymmetric at the base. Stems exude a milky juice when cut. Fruit is black, purple, or white, and looks like a blackberry fruit. Redbud, Cercis canadensis, legume family, Fabaceae. Leaves are alternate, heart-shaped, and entire. Twigs are slender, zigzagged, and reddish-brown. Flower buds can appear on any age stem and open to white, pink, or maroon pea-like flowers. Fruits are flat, reddish-brown pods 2 to 4 inches, 5 to 10 centimeters, long. Black gum, Tupelo, Nyssa sylvatica. Dogwood family, Cornaceae. Leaves are glossy green, deciduous, alternate, and entire with a single bristle tip at the end. Leaf scar has 3 prominent dots, vascular bundles. Pith is chambered but not hollow, trait shared with magnolia. Camphor tree, Cinnamomum camphora. Laurel family, Lauraceae. Leaves are lustrous yellow-green to dark green, alternate, simple, evergreen, and fragrant with prominent longitudinal leaf veins. All parts of the plant have a cinnamon fragrance. Fig, Ficus species. Mulberry family, Moraceae. Leaves are glossy, alternate, simple, and evergreen. Ficus corica has lobed leaves with a rough surface. Terminal buds are long, slender, and pointed with a sheath, no bud scales, covering the growing point. When wounded, all parts of the plant exude a thick, milky sap. Fruit is white, red, or purple-brown to dark brown. Gum, Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus species. Myrtle family, Myrtaceae. Juvenile leaves are opposite and round. Mature leaves are alternate and elongated, often gray-blue to dark green and highly aromatic. Bark is beautiful, smooth to exfoliating. Flowers are variable. Fruit is capsulate. In this section, we'll continue looking at genera that have an alternate leaf arrangement. This group has simple leaves with serrations, teeth, along the margins, leaf edges. This is the largest grouping on this CD because many genera share this leaf pattern. Beech, Fagus species. Beech family, Fagaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, and simple with a margin that is serrated or entire. Buds are long, slender, and sharply pointed. Bark is smooth and gray. Fruit has a prickly husk containing three-sided reddish-brown nuts. Chestnut, Castanea species. Beech family, Fagaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, simple, and serrate with bristle tips along the margin. Stems are light tan and covered in lenticels. They have five-pointed pith and lack a terminal bud. Male flowers are creamy white in color and have an unpleasant scent. Dark brown nuts are found in a prickly husk. Holly, Ilex species. Holly family, Aquifoliaceae. Leaves are often thick or waxy, deciduous or evergreen, and alternate and simple. Leaf margins are toothed or entire. Plants are dioecious, with female plants producing a berry-like drupe fruit that ripens in fall. Fruit color ranges from white to yellow and red to black. Holly can be a small shrub to a large tree. Linden, basswood, lime. Tilia species. Linden family, Tiliaceae. Leaves are heart-shaped, deciduous, alternate, and simple with prominent teeth along the margin. Stems are yellow-green and buds are teardrop-shaped. Buds are stout and asymmetrical. Flowers often are fragrant and attractive to bees. Fruit is small, nut-like, and suspended from a long, slender bract. Birch, Betula species. Birch family, Betulaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, and simple, and are oval or triangular with prominent veins and a serrated edge. Bark is variable in color, smooth, and sometimes papery with prominent lenticels. Buds are plump and sharp-pointed. Flowers and fruits form long, slender catkins. Alder, Alnus species. Birch family, Betulaceae. Leaves are oval, serrate, and glandular on the underside. Buds are large, irregular, teardrop-shaped, stalked, and valvate. Fruits are woody, cone-like structures present year-round. Hornbeam, Carpinus species. Birch family, Betulaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, simple, and serrated with prominent parallel veins. Buds are often hook-shaped with a sharp point and pressed against the twig. Bark is smooth, gray, and fluted. Fruit is a small, ribbed nut surrounded by a papery bract. Willow, Salix species. Willow family, Salicaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, and simple, often finely serrated, long and narrow, and yellow-green to blue-green in color. Stems are yellow-green. Current season's growth is long and limber. Axillary buds are longer than wide, with a single scale, and are adpressed to the stem. Poplar, Populus species. This is the true poplar. The tulip poplar is not. Willow family, Salicaceae. Leaves are serrated and elongated to triangular, tapering to a point. Stems are limber, and the teardrop-shaped buds are glossy and adpressed to the stem. Bark is smooth and whitish-green, becoming darker and furrowed with age. Elm, Ulmus species. Elm family, Ulmaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, and simple with double serrated margins. Leaf bases are distinctly asymmetrical. The two sides of the leaf blade do not join. Fruit is a samara and resembles a flying saucer. Hackberry, Celtis species. Elm family, Ulmaceae. Leaves are alternate, deciduous, simple, and asymmetrical at the base. Mature bark is rough and wart-like. Fruit is a drupe and is green, changing to red or purple. Serviceberry, Amelanchier species. Rose family, Rosaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, and simple, and are oval to round with a toothed margin. Terminal buds are sharp, pointed, and colorful. Bark is smooth, gray, and has conspicuous vertical lines. Apple, Crabapple, Malus species. Rose family, Rosaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate and simple, elongated to triangular, with teeth increasing in size from the tip to the base. Buds are reddish-brown and have hairs protruding from the bud scales. Flowers are showy and have 5 petals, white, pink to purple. The fruit has a firm skin. Pear, Pyrus species. Rose family, Rosaceae. Leaves are alternate, simple, ovate, elongated to triangular, and serrate or entire. Stipules or spines may be at the base of the petiole. Flowers have 5 petals. Cherry, Plum, Prunus species. Rose family, Rosaceae. Leaves are alternate, simple, ovate, elongated to triangular, with teeth. Cherries have multiple glands along the petiole. Plums do not. Fruit has a single stone, seed, surrounded by fleshy fruit. Hawthorn, Crataegus species. Rose family, Rosaceae. Leaves are deciduous, alternate, simple, elongated to triangular, with teeth or lobes increasing in size from the tip to the base. Stem nodes have spines. Flowers have 5 petals and are showy. Fruit is apple-like, often persisting in winter.